to talk about is how to re-engage users who have engaged with you. So basically what I mean by that is how do you create ads and serve those ads to people who have already displayed an interest in your business without going to your website and getting hit with the Facebook pixel. So right now we're focusing on in-app activity on Facebook or in desktop activity on Facebook. Nothing external outside of Facebook, nothing on your website, nothing with the Facebook pixel. This is all on Facebook based off of actions that people have taken within the platform, and we're actually able to remarket to those people. So what I'm going to do is, if you go inside of your business manager, your ads manager, go over here to assets and then click on audiences. Okay. And when you do that, you're going to see a page that looks, once it loads, looks just like this. The screen you were just looking at. It's going to have all of your audiences that you've made up to this point. So an audience is a group of people on Facebook that you're going to target. Okay? So for this example, we have all these audiences on Facebook building and building and building and building and building and building and building. Now, some of them are bigger than others, some of them are smaller than others, okay? But these are all different audiences that we're currently serving ads to right now on Facebook. So what we can do is click Create Audience, Custom Audience, and then we're going to choose Engagement on Facebook. So go ahead and click that, and this is really the key here. So if you can imagine this, you can actually serve ads to people who have watched a percentage of your old video. So let's say you put a video out there, you put it on Facebook, and it got 10,000 views. And out of those views, let's say there was 90% of people who watched 10% of that video. Well, those 90% of those people who watched the 10% of that video are actually people who show somewhat of an interest in your brand. Otherwise, they would have just scrolled right past it. So for those 90% of people who watched more than 10% of your video, you could select this option and target this, your ad, whichever it would be, to people that have watched more than 10% of a previous video, which you would tell Facebook 10% of this specific video. That's one way of doing it. You can also retarget with a custom audience to people who have maybe engaged with some sort of a lead form. So if you've ever done lead ads on Facebook, this is where you can show ads to people on Facebook and they see a clean form that shows up in their newsfeed. And all they have to do is literally hit sign up, and all of their data gets propagated into the entry fields automatically based off of the data that they've already shared with Facebook. So that's a super powerful thing that you can use as well. If you are doing any sort of lead ads, you can remarket to people who maybe opened the lead ad but didn't submit their information. Stuff like that can be really powerful. Canvas is where you have multiple images and videos inside of one ad. So these are pretty powerful. You can do a lot of custom things with this, and if they did open your canvas on Facebook to see the total package and see the video, then you can remarket to those people. And then Facebook page. So create a list of people who have interacted with your page on Facebook. So these could be people that liked other statuses, any type of stuff. Anybody who's engaged with the page, you can market to those people as well. So we're just going to click on video for this one. And let's do 10 seconds of the video. And in the past year is okay. And we'll just say 10-sec video. Oops. Choose video. Okay, so for this video right here, actually let's do this one. This wet wiener dog. Okay. And right here is our audience. So we could actually name this 10-second video, otter video. Say 10-second view, otter video. And then if we hit create audience, it's going to load in our list of audiences, and Facebook's going to automatically find those people, make that audience, and that'll be a selection for us to choose the next time we want to make an ad on Facebook.